am making mutton chops or lamb chops as requested by many of my friends. I cannot say that they are quick to make, but they're definitely easy to make. I'm using some spices which are going to flavor the meat. They are cooked slowly. I'm not using a pressure cooker, and the results are delicious, lip smacking, scrumptious chops. They can be served as a side, as a main course, or as an appetizer as well. So let's begin with it, and I'm going to show you how to make it. Here I have 600 grams of chops. These are single bone chops. And I'm going to also take equal amount of onions. These are again approximately 600 grams of onions, which I'm going to slice. Now in a hot pan, heat oil and ghee together. Once that's hot, add in the dry spices, that's cinnamon, whole green cardamom, some cloves, and black peppercorns. Fry them well in the oil. Then add the sliced onions. They are not cut very thinly, but they are a little medium size. Mix them well, and once they sweat a little bit, you can add in the garlic paste, some ginger paste, and mix all together. Then start adding the chops. These are washed well. And mix it. Now I'm going to cover them for at least 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 to 12 minutes, open them and you can see that the onions have softened and the meat has changed color. Now add in the chili powder, some turmeric, add in the garam masala. Now this is a store-bought garam masala. I'm using Everest meat masala. This goes very well in this recipe. Also add in some coriander powder, some cumin powder, and a few green chilies. Mix it well. Add the salt according to your taste. Give it a good mix so all the masalas get combined and it flavors the meat. Now I'm going to puree 2 large tomatoes. So this is the pureed paste and that goes in. Give it a good mix. Now cover it for 10 minutes and once again give it a good stir. We want to partially cook the meat. Then add in the mint leaves. Just tear the leaves. This gives a very good flavor and aroma to the dish. And now just fry it well. After about 10 to 12 minutes, after they are fried well, you can see that the onions are browned a little bit and the meat is cooking and it's absorbing all the wonderful flavors of the spices. So this is a bit of a lengthy process. You need to keep stirring and keep frying it. And don't make sure that you don't add too much of water here. Only if you find that the masalas are sticking, then add some water. So but you can add just a little bit. I'm adding about half a cup of hot water. Don't put too much of water, because we want to dry it as much as possible and cook along with that. So keep frying till it changes color. Now add some yogurt. Now this is Greek yogurt, or you can use some thick hung curds. Now add some more garam masala and some mint leaves. Tear the leaves and squeeze juice of half a lemon and mix well. Now it's only have to be, the chops have to be just fried well till you see, rather you cannot see any trace of yogurt, and the meat is cooked. So this goes on for some time. You need to keep checking if the meat is cooked. So once you are satisfied that the meat is cooked, then they are ready. You can see that the oil is coming out. See, now the meat is cooked. Give it a good stir. It's been frying for some time. Avoid putting any water in this. Look at the beautiful golden color. They are ready to be served. It's got a beautiful sear. They are well cooked and extremely delicious. They've absorbed all the flavors of the masalas, the spices. These are your masala chops. Enjoy these scrumptious chops with roti or naan, or just as it is as an appetizer. Definitely try it out and let me know in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe and click on the bell icon, so every time I upload a new recipe, you will be the first one to be notified. Thanks for watching.